What does the Public Prosecution Service do exactly? The Public Prosecution Service is an organization that is tasked with the enforcement of criminal law on behalf of a country. Everything the Public Prosecution Service does and is permitted to do is written in the Consensus Kingdom Act Public Prosecution Service. The chief task of the Public Prosecution Service can be divided into three smaller ones: the investigation of criminal acts, the prosecution of criminal acts, the supervision of the implementation, the execution of criminal sentences. The public prosecutor of the Public Prosecution Service decides if and for which criminal acts a suspect has to appear in court. If a case goes to court on behalf of the Public Prosecution Service, the suspect appears in the court of first instance. A suspect or the Public Prosecution Service can lodge an appeal if the suspect or the Public Prosecution Service disagrees with the judge's sentence in the court of first instance. In an appellate court, the Public Prosecution Service is represented by the Attorney General or, on his behalf, the Solicitor General. The Attorney General and the Solicitor General both work at the Public Prosecutor's Office.